it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys the August release of Elegant Embellishments, and that is Dee's store. Hi Dee. So I wanted to share with you the products that she has available. She will be having a 48-hour sale, and if you would like a coupon code, I will have that and more information at the end of this video. Let me get started because I do have quite a bit of items to show you. And if you are unsure of anything, just visit her website and you will see all the products. So here we go. So first I'm going to start off with the dies that she has available this month. Here is the first set. This is a 3-piece boudoir die set. So it comes with this small corset, a hanger, as well as this boot. Super cute. I think this will make some really cute embellishments. Next I have a dress form, and these are all wafer thin dies. I would suggest using a shim if you are going to cut these out, just because they have such tiny little details to cut out, but I love the shape of this dress form. And just if you're wondering, this is 5 1/4 inches high. And then the width at the widest part is 1 7/8 inches. Super cute. And then the last one she has is this Victorian corset. And it comes with this super cute hanger. And I do plan on making some embellishments with this. So these areas here cut out. So I'm sure you can thread some twine or something to make it look like a real corset. And then look at these super cute hearts. So I'm going to have a lot of fun playing with this. Next up, we have some appliques, and these are absolutely beautiful, guys. So look at this. This is the Pink Venice Rhinestone and Beaded Floral Wedding Applique. And there are some pearls as well as some beads on here, as you can see on the flowers. And all these rhinestones are sew-in rhinestones. So you can cut this up or use it as a whole on any of your projects. This shade of pink is absolutely gorgeous. So it measures about 5 inches in height at the widest part, and then it is 15 inches long. So that is a lot of applique to play with. And this contains 11 flowers. So beautiful. The next applique is a lavender. I love this shade. So this is a Lavender Venice Rhinestone and Pearl Floral Wedding Applique. This has 5 flowers on here, and as you can see in the flower centers, there are pearls and then those sew-on rhinestones again, and these are just a little bit bigger than the ones on the pink. So this would be beautiful to decorate any sort of box. You can even use this on cards. This is 2 3/4 inches at the widest part, and then it's 10 3/8 inch long. And then the last one is this White Venice Floral Beaded Wedding Applique. I love the delicate little swirls in here. It is just gorgeous. So again, with the beads and the pearls and then the sew-on rhinestones. The flowers are organza, the flower petals right here. This has 6 total flowers on this applique, and the measurements for this is 3 1/3 inches high, so at the widest point, and then it is 10 3/8 inch long. Super beautiful. Okay, now we're going to move on to the laces and trims, and I'm so excited that she has this in her shop. I love this trim. So this is the pink tulle pleated ruffle trim, and it's about 2 inches wide. You do get 2 yards in every order, and then she not only has that color, but the mint as well. And these are so super soft if you've never worked with this. But look at that pastel color combo. Isn't that so pretty? So each one of them are about 2 inches in width, and they come in 2 yards. Next, she has some trims that have some sequins on them. So this is the pink and white polka dotted organza ruffle lace. So the polka dotted part is the organza, as you can see. This is about 1 1/4 inches in width, and look at these like pink holographic sequins. Aren't they gorgeous? Just the right amount of like little sparkly bling to it. I love this. And this you get in 2 yards as well. So similar to that is the white pleated ruffle lace with sequins, and this has 3 layers. So it is the tulle at the bottom, and then chiffon with this like sort of like scalloped, kind of looks like a leaf design. And then this is nylon and polyester for this lacy part. And then those holographic little sequins that are sewn in. Super pretty. Now this one is about 2 inches, so it's a little bit wider than the pink one I just showed you. So here's a comparison. And this one you get in 2 yard increments as well. And then here it is in the lavender. So this is the same as the white, but it's just in this gorgeous lavender color. So again, the tulle, the chiffon, and then the polyester and nylon with the beautiful holographic sequins. I cannot wait to play with these. They are so pretty. Next up is this gorgeous white ruffle lace wedding trim. So this one actually has 4 layers, as you can see, and this is pure white. It has these tiny, tiny pearls up at the top, and it is stretchy. So I think this would be really, really cute to be like a belly band of some sort. But it is pleated down here. And then it's also pleated up here with the tulle. And this measures about 3 inches in height. And this is actually sold by the yard. So I love this trim. It is so gorgeous. So for this month, Dee also has some gimp trim, also known as Chinese braid. And look at these pastel colors. So pretty. So this actually comes in lavender and the baby blue. These are about 3/8 of an inch wide, and you do get 2 yards per order. So I love this when I'm trying to kind of clean up the edges of like boxes that I'm altering, because it hides like the glue and any other trims that I lay underneath it. So I love having this in my stash. So she does also have a couple of kits this month, and the first is this pastel seam binding kit. So it comes in 3 colors, the white, the baby blue, and the baby pink. You get a total of 9 yards for this, so that's 3 yards each. And these are great to make little bows and put them on your cards or any embellishments. And they are so super forgiving and flexible to work with. So this is a kit. And then lastly, she has the pastel cotton lace trim kit. It comes with 4 different laces. So this one is the white, and this is about 1/2 inch in width. It's more like on the crochet side. You will get 2 yards each of these 4 different trims. So that's a total of 8 in this kit. And you get this baby pink. And this is about 3/8 of an inch in width. And this is like the softest pink color. I love thin trims like this. And here is the baby blue. Again, about 3/8 of an inch. And then here is the yellow. And it does look similar to the other 2 colored trims in this kit, but this one is actually stretchy. So again, probably really cute to use as a belly band of some sort, but I do love working with these really small trims. So that is it for the items for August in Dee's store. So make sure to go over and visit Elegant Embellishments. She only does have a limited quantity of these items, so if you see something you like, I would go ahead and grab it. This month she is going to be open a little bit longer, so you do have 48 hours. If you do want to save 20%, you can use the code MIMI20, and I will have that on the screen as well as in the description box below. And anything else that you purchase after 5 p.m. on Wednesday, you can save 5%, and that's after the 48-hour sale. And all that information will be in the description box below. So for that, you can use the code MIMI5 and you can save 5% off. So just a little reminder, she has to hand cut all of these orders, so please be patient, give her a little bit of time. She said the maximum will be 5 days depending on how many orders she gets at one time. So if you guys can just be a little patient with her, she is a one-woman shop and she does want to make sure that everybody is serviced in a timely manner. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys go over and grab some of these as soon as possible, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.